Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Tablet and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode. Let's open the settings and here we have to scroll down and tap on the display. Then let's scroll down again and localize the night light option. So this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. First of all, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, you can turn it off in the same way just by tapping on the switcher, and of course you can also customize it. So let's tap on this option. Here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. So of course it's up to you, just set it on the position which is the most comfortable for you. We can also schedule that feature, so we can turn it on at custom time. We can freely choose the start and the end time, and we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is I believe location based. Let me set none. And basically this is the whole customization of the night light. If you want to, you can also have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it, and as you can see, the night light will appear after entering this section through the settings. So if you will try to find the night light icon here before that, you probably will not find it. Of course you can manually add it. However, I highly recommend to first of all customize it into settings and then try to find this icon. So let's simply tap on it to apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.